Hello, this is Vita from VUY Hair, and today I am in the factory. I want to serve for you. You can see many hair here, and every hair available to ship, so you can order. And we will give the order to my factory to process the order and get and take it to office in office in stock in office. We also have stock to ship every time for you, and today I am in the factory. I can show for you, okay? And you can see this is the blonde hair. Yeah, this is area of blonde hair, many blonde hair, 613 color, and you can make any color. And this is for natural color hair here, many hair here. You can see many here. And I will move to the area of making closure and frontal. You can see the hair before we make closure and frontal like this. We have to remove cuticle. Because if not remove cuticle, the closure and frontal easy to be tangled. And you see, this time many customer orders size 6 by 6, and you can see the it's transparent like from 6 by 6 hair. Yes, and this is the 8D leg from 5 by 5. Yeah, 5 by 5 and 6 by 6 is the most popular size customer order. And you can see it is on the 80 leg. Yeah, you can see the 80 leg, the border here. Okay, and let me show the yeah, the area after making the web like this. You can see the web natural wavy here. Before we shipped, yeah, we can ship to office, to ship to customer. Here you can see here. Okay, you can see buck hair. Yeah, this buck hair from single donor from my factory, and we have many size for you to choose. Yeah, and our factory will choose the length as the order from the customer, and we will process the hair here and ship to office for our salesman to ship. Yeah, you see, this is a single donor and buck hair. The hair we cut from donor like this, and the top of the hair not equal, you can see. And we have a two wax and remove tangle hair if have. And we will make, yeah, from buck hair like this. Buck hair is cut from donor, no mixing. And the single donor is like this. Yeah, one bundle from one donor. You can see many buck hair here. All of this buck hair, area of buck hair, many buck hair here. All only buck hair. Yeah, you can see. Yes, yeah, this is a worker. She is removing the gray hair before making wet, because in the buck hair sometimes have gray hair and red hair. Yeah. Okay, let me show other area of the hair from the hair. Đang quay. Chào các bạn. The machine wet they are making. Yes, our worker. Hello. Our worker is making the wet hair here. You can see them still in the wet here. Yes, it's single web like this, and we will make double web. Yeah, we make automatic the double web for customer. You can see the single web here. Yeah, our worker is making. You can see. They are making the tape. You can see this tape hair. Yeah, Ariel. They make tape hair here. Yeah, you see tape hair here. Yeah, they are making. Yeah, you can see clearly here. Okay, and see. The hair after making weft is like this. You can see they will roll the weft. Yeah, Yeah, this is the gray hair. Yeah, this order for gray hair. You can see 22 inches for gray hair here. From raw hair, gray hair. Yeah, yeah, natural gray hair, not bleach color or dyed color. Yeah. Okay. Let me show more the hair after making here. You can see the hair after making for double weft like this here. You can see double weft like this. Yeah, double weft. From single weft and they double weft like this, and we make all double weft for customer. Only make single weft for with customer here. Here double weft. Yeah, all gray hair. This order all gray hair here. Okay. And let me show something. Here we, yeah, yeah, they are removing the gray hair here, removing the hair. Yeah, yeah. These people, these people is very famous. Worker in our factory. You can see. How old are you? Cô bao nhiêu tuổi nhỉ?
6 tháng năm
66, yeah, 66. She work in our factory. Cô how many years you work in our factory? Cô làm bao nhiêu năm ở đây? Bao nhiêu năm làm với từ
7 năm.
7 years. Yeah. Say hi, hello. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, thank